Hello, welcome to Corky's Tea Time. I hope like heck you can hear me. Got interrupted, had to go take care of some things, and I just can't get the volume going on this, so we'll do the best that we can. I just want to let you know what I've done so far while I was working on the camera at the same time. I've added 1 cup butter, salted. I will not be adding salt to the recipe. 1 cup sugar, 2 teaspoons vanilla, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. I will have the recipe in the description box below. Okay, let me mix this up and then I'll have to get the flour going, okay? Okay, and of course you want to mix it till it's well blended. Everything is incorporated. And scrape down the sides of the bowl. Always scrape down your sides. Yes. It's going to need some more mixing, I can see that for sure. And then it says to add 3 cups of flour. So I'll have to get some flour out. Got it next to me, I just haven't measured it yet. There we go. Okay, get that now. Okay, oops. It's just getting everywhere now. Oh my goodness. I shouldn't do that. How did I manage to get it all over the place? Ow. One more good go around. Yeah, that looks good. Yeah. Oh, that looks so good. Okay, so we'll just leave that there. Let me set this aside and go get the flour, and I'll be right back, okay? Okay, I just added 1 cup of flour, and we'll go ahead and mix this up. And I have a 2nd cup of flour next to me waiting. Ah. Oh my gosh, how did I know? Okay, here goes the 2nd cup, a little at a time, right? Okay, don't want to disturb that gluten too much. So let me get another cup of flour. That'll be the last cup because it takes 3 cups of flour. All-purpose flour. Very easy, simple recipe. Very, very, very easy. Okay, there we go, there's our 3rd cup. Okay, and we're just going to add in a little bit at a time, okay? That way I might not have it spew out again, okay? So we'll see how that does to start with. There we go. Okay, and as it's stirring, we'll add in this last bit. Okay, there it is. It says that, okay, it's all incorporated now. And it's just the way it looked on the YouTube channel. Alrighty then.